With many smartphones being launched every month in the mobile market, choosing the best one is a much delicate task. So, welcome back again to my channel. Today, we are about to discuss the smartphones which has Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processors, which are really worth your money and which satisfies your expectation. Xiaomi launched the first Snapdragon 888 processor on 11th January 2021. So here are some of the smartphones with Snapdragon 888 processors. At number 1, we have Xiaomi Redmi K40 Pro. The Xiaomi Redmi is yet to be launched and it is expected to be launched on 21 June by the year 2021. The expected price of the phone is 31,490. Let's go ahead with the performance, which is best in class with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. It has a chipset of Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 and has an architecture of 64-bit. Base variant of Xiaomi Redmi K40 Pro, which is expected to be available in glossy black, icy white, dreamland color. Xiaomi Redmi K40 Pro features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and offers a pixel density of 395 ppi. The phone runs on MIUI version, which is a heavily modified Android ROM which is built over the Android 10 operating system. It has a screen protection of Corning Gorilla Glass V5. The Redmi K40 Pro gets quad rear cameras that consist of 64MP wide sensor, 13MP ultra wide sensor, 5MP sensor and a 20MP sensor. Front camera with 20MP wide angle primary camera resolution. It has an internal storage of 128GB with universal flash storage 3.1. The phone packs a 4520 mAh lithium polymer battery which supports fast charging technology, that is 100% charging in just 52 minutes. Isn't it cool? So let's go ahead with this number 2. We have Realme GT 5G. Realme continues with its relentless effort to attract buyers across all price segments. With a price of 31,490, they had launched the X series few weeks back and now it's time for something more powerful. For this, you have the new Realme GT 5G, which sits alongside other affordable flagship peers in the market. It is expected to be launched on July 4 by the year 2021. This phone features a screen size of 6.43-inch and with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. This high-quality screen delivers pixel density of 409 ppi. It has triple camera setup with a resolution of 64MP primary camera with 26mm focal length, an 8MP wide-angle ultra-wide-angle camera with 15.7mm focal length, 2MP macro camera with 21.88mm focal length. It uses Exmor RS CMOS sensor. This is the latest Realme phone to use the octa-core Snapdragon 888 chipset from Qualcomm. The device gets paired with 12GB RAM for high-end performance. You get 256GB onboard storage that lets you download plenty of apps as well as store photos and videos. Realme GT comes loaded with 4500 mAh lithium-ion battery with support for fast charging via USB Type-C. Other features on the phones are on-screen fingerprint sensor, headphone jack, and face unlock. Some of the popular Realme mobiles include the X7 Pro, 7 Pro, and the X3 Super Zoom Edition. At number 3, we have Realme Race Pro. Realme Race Pro price in India is expected to be 32,999. So Realme Race Pro India launch date is speculated to be in July 20 by the year 2021, which is unofficial. So we expected the Realme Race Pro to be available in black and gold colors. The Chinese smartphone maker is on launching spree, releasing new handsets with upgraded specifications constantly. The latest to join its growing bandwagon of handsets is the Realme Race Pro. The smartphone is arguably the first device from the manufacturer to come with 125-watt fast charging support. The OLED display panel of the device is thin and bezel-less, measuring 6.8 inches. The panel offers a screen resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels and a high pixel density of 516 ppi. In terms of performance, the handsets comes powered by the new 800 series chipset from Qualcomm, dubbed the Snapdragon 888 SoC, which is a system on chip. The octa-core chipset is backed by an Adreno 660 GPU for graphical performance. The device comes with a generous 8GB RAM configuration that accounts for smooth multitasking without any hiccups. Isn't that cool? As for the optics, the smartphone includes a triple rear camera setup and a single selfie camera. The device carries a 64MP primary sensor beside the two 13MP camera sensors. For selfies and video calls, you get an impressive 32MP front-facing camera. So the onboard internal memory is 128GB and should be sufficient to address normal user storage needs. The lack of an expandable memory option is certainly a drawback. So plus you get a mammoth of 125-watt fast charging support, and hence refilling the battery is never a hassle. The phone is fueled by a large 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery that offers battery life for longer durations. The other latest Realme mobiles you may watch out for are Realme X9 Pro and Realme Race. At number 4, we have the Nubia Red Magic 6R. Nubia Red Magic 6R price in India is expected to be 34,190. Nubia Red Magic 6R India launch date is expected to be July 8 by the year 2021. So we expect the Nubia Red Magic 6R to be available in black, red and blue colors. The lineup of smartphones are purpose-built for gaming performance. The latest game-centric offering from the brand is the Nubia Red Magic 6R. The phone sports a 6.67 inches OLED display having a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The bezel-less display comes with an aspect ratio of 20:9 and pixel density of 395 ppi. For photography and videography, the smartphone equips a triple camera setup on the rear accompanied by a LED flash. The primary camera is 64MP and it is followed by an 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera and a 2MP macro camera. Up front, the smartphone packs an 8MP selfie camera for capturing elegant selfies and also for video chats. Powering the handset is the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 octa-core processor paired with 6GB of RAM. On the storage front, the smartphone features a 128GB internal storage for storing user files and data. It does not support any expandable memory, and which is a drawback. So the phone is fueled by the 4200 mAh lithium polymer battery that can be charged via a USB Type-C port. With 55-watt fast charging support, the phone can be refilled quickly upon battery drainage. Other popular mobiles of Nubia series include the Nubia N1 Lite, ZTE Nubia Red Magic and Nubia Red Magic 3S 256GB. At number 5, we have ZTE Axon 30 Pro 5G, which comes up with a price of 34,390. ZTE has launched the Axon 20 5G, the world's first smartphone with under-display selfie camera last year. Now the company has come up with its successor, the Axon 30 Pro 5G. It is to be launched on July 29, 2021. Similar to its predecessor, the handset comes with an under-display selfie camera. As per the specification, the handset features a 6.67 inches OLED display that offers a screen resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and 395 ppi pixel density. The bezel-less display has a punch-hole type design housing the selfie camera. The flagship comes powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 octa-core chipset coupled with 6GB RAM. The handset packs 128GB internal memory, For imaging, the phone is provided with a quad camera of 64MP wide-angle primary camera with 26mm focal length and 64MP wide-angle and ultra-wide-angle camera with 5MP and macro camera and depth camera. So on the software front, the device runs the latest Android V11 operating system. So that's all about the information on smartphones which has Snapdragon 888 processor. Hope you got a better understanding about the smartphones which are cool and affordable to buy. So for more such interesting information, do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and share among your friends. So see you again with something interesting. Until then, this is your Sam. Thank you.